Before we continue, let me speak. I feel stirred in my heart to speak particularly to a parent whose child is going haywire, wayward, and you gave your best. You taught them the Bible, they prayed, and now it looks like another company has carried your child. In the name of Jesus, we reactivate that seed. We reactivate that seed that was sown 20 years ago, the seed of diligence, the seed of godliness, the seed of discipline. And I declare that one of these days, like the prodigal son, you will see your child coming back home, back to his mind, back to order, in the name of Jesus Christ.